Hey, welcome back. So this is part 3, 4, 4, I don't know, of my opening from DIYmoon. You definitely need to go check them out. So if you haven't watched my other videos, I've got a link down below in the description, or I'll have a link up here. This one I got for my daughter because it totally fits her. So, right here. Tell me that's not so super cute. Oh, she's just stinking cute. Alright, here we go. Opener, we'll roll it the other direction, try to get it to lay more flat. So when I seen this, I was like, no, I gotta get that for my daughter. It's just stinking cute. Oh my gosh. My husband's seen her and he's like, oh yeah, definitely. You know, for Micaiah's room. I says, yeah. Because it just totally fits my daughter. See? Look at that. Is that not just the cutest? I love her eyes. Look at her eyes. And then she's got these little flowers, you know, in her hair. And then the little bunny. That little princess dress. I mean, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? So stinking cute, I'm telling you. Alright, let's open these up. I'm excited for this one. Now, this one is a 30 by 40. And all of my paintings, I get the special treatment. And always the B3. So, let's get the legend out. Excuse me, let's get the legend out. There are 40, I hope it'll focus, 45 colors. Look at that. Yeah, you know there's going to be a lot at the 310. But look at her. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. So you get tons of baggies. And these are stickers to write down, you know, what the color is. So you get a ton of those. There are tons of purples and pinks. Oh, this one's pretty. Like a sea foam. That's really pretty. I like that. Some grays. Another aqua color. That one's really pretty. And then, of course, do you think that's enough 310? Look at that. That is a lot of 310s. So I will be living the 310 life for sure in this one. Let's look at these pinks. Gosh, they're so pretty. Look at that. Almost like a bubblegum pink. Love it. Alright, we're already at 4.5 minutes, so let's open up the special treatment drills. She is called the Princess Bunny. Isn't she adorable? Ah, I know I keep saying that, but she is. She's just adorable. Oh my gosh, I can't open this up. Maybe. I had it. I'm trying to hurry because I don't want the videos super long. There we go. Maybe. Alright, hold on one sec. My gosh, that one was hard to open. Okay, so we got the Morganite. This is where you would sprinkle on the tutu. So right here, the tutu of the bunny. Okay. Is that not? Look how pretty that is. Is that not gorgeous? Love that. And then this is the bubblegum pearls, which if you watched my other video, I did order a little vial of these. And this gets kind of sprinkled in the pink area. And then this is the electric diamonds. And this gets sprinkled on the flowers. Okay. But also her dress. What else? Okay, so on the dress. So more like, you know, in the white areas is what they're saying. So just kind of sprinkle and random throughout here. And then, of course, the flowers. And then, like, right here. And then the bunny's dress. This is so cute. Oops, bump y'all. Okay, so that is my second one that I got. Again, this is the Princess Bunny. She is so adorable. Oh my gosh. I've got one more, so that will be in the next opening. So stay tuned for that one. All right, you guys. Thank you for coming in and watching. Thank you those who have subscribed to me. You all are just awesome. I love you all. And I look forward to doing another video for you guys. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow. All right. Don't forget to smile. Love you. Bye-bye.